Hey guys, welcome back to Also Amateur. I'm James, and part 3 of a 3-part series that I've been doing on a Soul Performance center muffler bypass for my friend Chris's GT3 Touring. You've seen the exhaust, we've installed it, and now we're gonna listen to it. In this video, we're doing the before and after. Let's just get straight into it. What's it like to drive? What's the difference?
Okay, so first impression, just driving normal, let's just say 1500, 2000 RPM, valves closed, no real noticeable difference. As soon as those valves open, you hit that 3500 RPM and up, this whole thing is a monster. It comes alive.
Well guys, that's it for another video and the end of this series. Thanks so much for checking in. I'd love to know what you think in the comments. I personally, of course, I am biased. I do love Soul Performance products. I think it sounds fantastic. It's not too much, it's not too in your face. It's just, when you fire it up, you know there's something special there, a little extra than what the factory gives you. When you're driving normally, you don't really hear anything in your face at all. But when the valves open up and you really put the hammer down, it just comes alive. It sounds absolutely sensational. All right guys, so more content coming up. I don't know if you can see it in the background there, but I've got my little bag of tricks. I've got some GoPros. I've got my drone. I even have the My Genius product for my Softronic tune. Yes, which is going on the car pretty soon. I've been saying that now for a year, but honestly, it's going on. And I will be doing a video about it soon. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, tell your friends, your parents, reach out around the world and tell everybody about Auto Amateur. I will be ever grateful. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye.